is about staying true to your African self. Let's sing. Different fever, na him day. Different fever, na him day. Sing. Different fever, na him day. Oh shit. Different fever, na him day. Malaria fever, unko. Jaundice fever, unko. Hay fever, unko. Influenza fever, unko. Corona fever, unko. Freedom fever, unko. Yellow fever, unko. Yellow fever, unko. Sing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I say, tell them, make them heard. Our fever, na fever. Original fever. Hey, fever, na fever. Original fever. Malaria, na fever. Original fever. Yellow fever, uncle. Sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it. Yellow fever, uncle. One more. Original and artificial. Bum, 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 tell me now. Say, artificial catch you. If you be man or woman, say, now you go catch on yourself. Now your money go do one for you. You go yellow past yellow. You go cash mustache for face. You go get your double color. Your yash go black like Kiko. You say go think say you dey fine. Who say you fine? Sing it. My sister, who say you fine?